Welcome to the CoinDhan Cloud demo video, your ultimate solution for all your cryptocurrency trading needs. In this video, we will walk you through the amazing features of CoinDhan Cloud that make it the go-to platform for both beginners and experienced traders. So, let's get started. CoinDhan offers a user-friendly interface designed to provide seamless trading experiences. Let's begin with our first feature, spot trading. With spot trading, you can easily buy or sell cryptocurrencies in real time. CoinDhan supports a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies, allowing you to trade with confidence. Next up, we have Quick Trade, a feature designed for fast and convenient transactions. It enables you to execute trades quickly with just a few clicks, saving you time and effort. CoinDhan also offers P2P trading, which allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users on the platform. It provides a secure and transparent way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, giving you full control over your trades. Looking for larger trades? CoinDhan has got you covered with our OTC desk. It provides personalized support for high-volume transactions, ensuring a smooth and secure trading experience. Managing your investments is essential, and CoinDhan's portfolio feature makes it easy. You can track the performance of your crypto assets, view their current value, and monitor your overall portfolio growth. Wondering about your past transactions? CoinDhan's order history feature keeps a record of all your trades, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your trading activity. You can easily review your orders and track your progress. Gain valuable insights into your trading patterns and performance with CoinDhan's user reports. Analyze your trading strategies, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. And the best part? CoinDhan is available on your mobile devices too. Download our app and enjoy seamless trading on the go. You'll never miss a trading opportunity again. With CoinDhan, you get a comprehensive cryptocurrency trading platform that offers spot trading, quick trade, P2P trading, OTC desk, portfolio management, order history, liquidity to run your exchange, email and KYC integrations, and detailed user reports. It's everything you need to launch your own crypto exchange with confidence. With CoinDhan Cloud's white label crypto exchange solution, you can launch your crypto exchange within 4 weeks.